The Indian Army currently operates 2 regiments of the indigenous Akash air defense systems, and the Army is now planning to place an order for 2 more regiments of the new Akash-1S air defense systems, which turns out to be a procurement of approximately 2,000 missiles worth over $3.1 billion. The Akash-1S has an effective range of 30 kilometers with multi-target engagement capability, and it comes with an indigenously developed seeker. The new Akash-1S variant has already completed its developmental trials successfully, and Bharat Dynamics Limited can produce 100 units per month. Top officials have said that the new variant has seen particular interests from Vietnam, and discussions have started for its export and local manufacturing in Vietnam. Boeing has officially offered the strike-optimized and latest variant of the F-15EX to India, which has been upgraded with latest sensor fusion technology of the F-35 and F-22 stealth fighter jets. And like the F-18 Block 3 fighter jet offer, both Hindustan Aeronautics and Mahindra Defence have been roped in as partners if its F-15EX is selected by the Indian Air Force for the 114 fighter jets tender. The Indian Air Force is not keen on buying the F-18 Block 3, since it is a carrier-based fighter jet, and it had also lost to Eurofighter Typhoon and Rafale fighter jet in technical rounds in the last tender. While the F-15EX could be marketed with the 180 km range AIM-120D AMRAAM, it is to be noted that the F-15 users in the Asia-Pacific region including Singapore have been bought into the F-35 program.
We have decided on the F-35B variant of the aircraft, which can take off from a shorter runway and land vertically.
The Indian Oil Corporation has developed a specialized winter diesel fuel for high altitude and low temperature regions, and has sought permission from the Directorate General of Quality Assurance of the Armed Forces to allow the Indian Army to use winter diesel in the Ladakh region. The Crore Aerospace Industries has revealed that it plans to roll out the first prototype of its 5th-generation multi-role fighter jet in April 2021. The company also released an image of the prototype's fuselage, which is being assembled at its facilities, and the prototype is expected to conduct its first flight in 2022, and the Block 1 variant will start production in 2026, while Block 2 will start production in 2029. The Philippine Defense Minister Delfin Lorenzana has said that India has expressed its intent to carry out navigation activities in the South China Sea, as the navigation in the South China Sea is open to all countries, and this comes after a telephonic conversation between Prime Minister Modi and the President of Philippines. The Philippine Foreign Minister had also warned China last week.
The Chinese naval military exercises, if they stick to their coordinates, do not impinge on Philippine territory. Should the exercises spill over to Philippine territory, then China is forewarned that it will be met with the severest response, diplomatic and whatever else is appropriate.
The Border Roads Organization has built 3 new bridges in Ladakh's Nimmo region, which have become operational from yesterday, and these strategically located bridges are helping Indian Army to move tanks and other heavy artillery systems to the Eastern Ladakh sector, and it also has the ability to withstand 70-ton heavy vehicles for smooth movement of troops to forward areas.